Kumusta ulit mga ka-Efren dyan, mga diehard fans ng ating The Magician na katulad ko ay isang talagang tagahanga kay Efren Reyes, kasi siya ang pinakamagaling sa buong mundo, the greatest player of all time nga daw to, the GOAT, The Magician pa. At itong laban nila ay sa Hong Kong ginanap to noong 1996. At ang prize money nito ay $100,000. 3 nights ang laro na to. Ang first night is kung sinong unang maka 35, tapos na yung first night or game over na sa first night. Tapos yung score nila carry over sa second night. 35 ulit ang panalo doon. Kung sino na makaunang 35, game over ulit sa second night. Sa third night, 50 lahat ang gagawin nila. Kaya 35 plus 35, 70 plus 50, 120 games ang kailangan mapanalo mo. Ikaw ang champion. Sa iyo ang $100,000. Ganun katindi ang laban. Biro mo, halimbawa, 100, ang score ata nito, 120 si Efren, 118 si Earl. Pag tinutal mo yun lahat, 120 plus 118, 238 na laro. Kasi pati talo ka, kasama sa laro mo yun, naglaro ka rin doon, pero talo ka nga lang. Di counted yun sa number of games. 238. 3 nights naman. Yung matindi yung last night, yung 50 games. Kung sino na maka 50, panalo ka. Plus yung lahat siguro doon, 50 plus ang kalaban mo ano lang, halos 100 na games sa yung third night. Okay po, panoorin na natin at inumpisahan ko yung video ko sa rack number 62. Ang score nila sa pagkatapos ng rack number 61, 33 si Efren, si Earl, 28 si Efren after rack number 61. Ito, umpisa natin sa rack number 62. Okay po.
No, he's in a pretty good mood now. He's telling jokes to the crowd, and he's feeling good. When the break starts working for him like that, he's that's his whole game right there. He needs that to occur. Well, the cue ball got away from him a little bit there. He mentioned it to the crowd and anyone else that didn't care to hear. Said, I lost the rock.
I-full screen ko lang ha. Okay.
Yeah, he's made a terrific safety. He's made a terrific attempt at the safety. It looks like Efren may be able to hit this one ball anyway. Yeah, that's a good shot. Good shot after you've been sitting there for a pretty good while.
Yeah.
Believe me, that looks like
He needed that.
Yeah, looked like you might be shooting a bowling ball with a thimble. Good shot.
Combination.
Reyes now down by
Galing ni bata.
at 33 to 29.
The crowd appears to be a little bipartisan here.
Oh, yeah.
Favor, and I think a lot of the fans here really do not know how to take Mr. Earl Strickland, and I'm not saying that his behavior is correct, but whatever, that's what it takes for him to make it
33-29.
look good. You know, he has to get that
After
emotion out.
pagkatapos ng rack
And,
62.
There's no denying his greatness.
33-29.
The guy can really play. And not only will I tell you, but he will too.
Well, he's been knocking those balls in with a lot of authority, but that last game got away from him.
Earl.
Well, the shot that he tried to play it safe.
Oh,
and
pumasok.
it was a very difficult safe, and he hit it awfully well. And came up just a fraction off. I mean, you know, you talk about a lot of games being games of inches. This is a game of millimeters.
Correct.
Now we see something new here. We see a little break with a shot for Efren. Give him a chance to get a little momentum back. And this will be very routine for him. As far as making the match close, this has to be good to give him a chance to get up here and get his arm loosened up a little bit and get back in command of the table again. Feel like you're playing here rather than just watching.
For a moment there, we thought Earl Strickland was up to end the night with just 2 games left for him, but seems like Efren Reyes has other ideas.
Yeah, he gets to have a little say in that.
33-30. 3 games
That's
lang.
down now to a 3-game advantage
Oo.
for Earl Strickland at 33-30.
Jersey.
Now Efren needs only 5 games to wrap it up.
5 games.
Earl
Si
needs
Earl,
2.
dalawa na lang para panalo
Of
siya,
course.
35.
Efren is at the table. Got a good break the last time around.
Dapat pag ganyang kadaming laro, kondisyon ka talaga katawan mo. Para hindi mo- yung
Referee meticulously inspects the rack.
pulso mo hindi magbago.
Now Efren prepares to break. We're ready for game 64.
Si bata, naninigarilyo pa yan.
Second consecutive time. And generally that hurts you, but then both times he's come up with some type of a shot.
We've got 2 of the balls in the opposite corner pockets.
33-30.
Fine.
wiggle
long,
konti,
straight follow shot. Now he has control of the table. Play the 2 in the side and then the 3 in the corner. I think we may see 2 consecutive break and runouts in a row for Efren.
Parang pag nanood ka sa kanila maglaro, parang napakadali lang
This is
laruin
the
ng
difference right
9
here.
ball.
This transition, sometimes Earl's cue
Kasi
ball gets a little bit away
simpleng-simple
from
lang
him.
sa
He gets too
kanila.
straight in, he has to force the ball around with good shots. Or Efren is on angle all the time, so the cue ball is naturally traveling in the right
Galing.
direction, and he takes great care.
Galing
of that
talaga
four
sa
ball.
control ng
It's
cue ball
very
si
easy. He puts
Bata.
some care into that to make sure the cue ball located itself in the proper place.
Proper
It's
place
not
nga
about the
daw ang
shot
cue
they're
ball.
on, it's about achieving the right angle for the third ball down the
Make
lane.
sure
That's
that
what they're
the
looking at.
cue ball is located at the proper place. Sabi niya.
Masterful execution there by
Di
Efren
33-31
and
after
it's
rack
a
number 64.
2-game match. A lot of the people here are up on their feet trying to catch every bit of the action.
I see quite a few smiles on the spectator's face too, totally amused by the high level of play.
You see Earl Strickland inspecting the scoreboard there.
Earl seems to think that the cue ball is not satisfactory place.
Inaangal ni Earl yung cue ball ni lumalampas daw sa linya. Talaga naman. Ano
Who
lang
says
niya
it's
yun?
over the line?
Kasi maganda tira ni Efren nga, humahabol sa kanya kaya kung ano-ano mga nakikita niya kay Efren.
Well, I'll tell you what happens in the rack area, break area, is that when somebody has
pumasok
break
na naman.
a lot there, it gets awful warm, and you don't like to break from out of the hole because that sets the cue ball hopping. And when the cue ball's bouncing, then it's much easier to get off the table or into a pocket. It's much harder to control. Plus, it diminishes the amount of power that you get
Bank
into
shot.
the rack when there's
Galing.
a bounce to the cue ball because you're actually
Galing.
driving the one ball downwards rather than on a real linear path.
Sa corner. Oh, bali wala.
Tremendous shot.
Tremendous shot.
Well, as we said, Efren talks back with his
Ito,
cue stick.
yung 5, medyo na tabunan ng 9
He
ang
made a
5.
tremendous shot, but he had to
Kailangan
give up a
ng
little bit of position. And now he's
preparasyon
going
niya
to
dyan.
come up with yet another tremendous
Yung
shot.
positioning niya dyan sa cue ball,
Sure,
kailangan.
right now when he's chalky, he's weighing on his options of offense
kaya,
and
kaya.
defense. Looks like he's playing offense.
Yun.
Tremendous shot.
Galing.
Absolute tremendous speed and tremendous accuracy.
Galing talaga to si Bata.
This looks a little reminiscent of the old Efren.
Sa Color
Oh,
of
yeah.
Money, 2 beses niya tinalo si, sa 2001 ata din na Color of Money, si 2001 ba yun? Panalo pa rin si Efren kay Earl.
And now Efren is taking the page out of Earl's
33,
playbook
32
and
na.
come back in
Sakali.
with 3 consecutive breaker runouts.
33-32, one game, ano lang lamang ni, one game ni Earl. Galing.
Fantastic goal.
Oh, yes. And you
Galing.
can hear the crowd here applaud in appreciation for what Efren Reyes just did. Just a
33-32
one-game
after
advantage here
65.
for Earl
Track
Strickland. The
number
score stands
65.
at 33-32.
33,
First
one
player
game.
to get to 35 wins will end the session for this evening. The format is we'll carry over the score tonight to tomorrow evening to end on Saturday.
You know, I think this is what's so intriguing about professional pool. 3 innings ago, Earl had a nice 4 or 5 game lead, was coasting and chatting with the audience, and now with virtually no turn at the table, good turn, the score's back within 1 game again. One ball in the side pocket. It's a very difficult shot, but when you've been at the table for a while and are loosened up, that really aids you in making that ball. If you have to get out of your chair cold and shoot at that one, the make ratio is not near as high.
Well, looking
Ooh,
at that shot, Efren Reyes may have
nagwigil.
lost his concentration a bit.
Yeah, he certainly did, and even you can see his body move a little bit on delivery of the stick and that move, that tip, that 16th of an inch that I told you you can't allow. And it did cost him.
Napagod na sa
accuracy. He made
kakapanalo.
a few tough shots, and that it's physically draining. You
Ilang
stand there
straight
with no
din yung
racks, and
napanalo
you come
yun.
up with a 2-ball like he had, and cut that
28,
in and get a
29,
shot.
30, 31, 32. Apat na straight na panalo.
So Strickland gets a nice layout to work with.
Oh, maganda layout ng bola. Wala na, 34-32 na. Magaling sa sure ball din to si Earl. Pero si Efren, magaling sa sure ball at may tira pa siyang
And nicely executed. 2 rail
kapwa
position
player
shot.
niya. Hindi alam kung paano tirahin, pero alam ni Efren. Magugulat na lang sila pag tinira na ni Efren. Oh, pwede pala yun.
Okay, 1 game away. from ending up,
34-32. Isang game na lang.
tonight's session,
Panalo na si
34-32 in favor of Earl
or
Strickland.
end ng session na sa gabing
Earl
to.
commented to the crowd that
Kasi
the little flurry of
sinong-
racks that Efren
kung
put
may
on,
maka
that
35
was
wins
on
na.
his back.
Tapos na yung first night. Sa second night
Those
ulit,
cobwebs
35
certainly
wins.
didn't make too much of a difference in the way he made it that run.
Ano kaya? Tatapusin na ni ano kaya to? Ni Earl. Di bali. Mayroon pang bukas. Mayroon mo 100,000. Grabe, no? Knox. Pinapakita pa niya kung tamang pwesto, pwesto ng cue ball pag break.
That will not.
Well,
Knox.
Efren's not obliging.
No, no. He won't be
Yes.
drawn into that game.
So, di naman lumalampas. Nakapatong sa linya yung bola ni Efren eh. Talaga naman eh. Binubusisi mo ng gusto eh. Ayaw mo lang aminin na talagang magaling si Efren.
Oh, lovely. Another tremendous break.
Tremendous break. Ilan ba pumasok? Isa o dalawa? Lima, dalawa pumasok.
That's a tremendous shot. And the reward. Absolute reward. And another nice shot. He's got everything freed up here. It's just a matter of holding your composure.
Pag ganyan kahaba ang laro, pati yung mga manonood, maantukin
Well, he hits point.
sa haba ng laro eh.
They're certainly going at it now.
Ay, wala na. Tapos na. 35-32. Bali. Babawi bukas si Efren. Ganun din sa positioning si ano eh. Oh, wala na. Game over na.
Okay. Earl give him a little swing here
Mayabang
on
din
the end
kasi.
of this rack.
Halong yabang din. Mainitin ulo, mayabang pa.
Earl Strickland
35-32.
the first night of this three-evening
Di bali.
affair called The Color of Money, a 9-ball challenge. So they head back
Bukas
for
na lang uli.
the pool table again
Practice muna si
tomorrow,
Efren.
with the score standing at 35 for Earl Strickland and 32 for Efren Reyes. And tomorrow, of course, we're going to carry over this score, and another 35 wins will end tomorrow's session, and we go for 120 on Saturday. This has been Ed Pixon with Mark Wilson over here at Ridgeways Bar and Restaurant in Hong Kong.
Okay. Nalo si Earl sa first night. Bukas at saka sa sunod na araw. Tuloy ang laban. Okay po. Hanggang dito na lang at marami pong salamat sa mga nanonood sa video ko. Sana yung mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, paki-subscribe na lang. Ulitin ko, maraming salamat sa mga nanonood sa video ko. Hanggang dito na lang po. Kita-kits tayo muli kung makapag-react ako uli sa ating paboritong o sa pinakamagaling na Pilipinong billiard player, pool player na si Efren Bata Reyes, the GOAT, the Magician. Bye na po. Bye-bye.